Wat is meervoude en kort vokale? I'm going to explain 4 things today. Meervoude, vokale, consonante, and the diphthong. Meervoude means more than one. In other words, plural. So this is what meervoude looks like. This is more than one dog. The opposite of meervoude is enkelvoudig. In other words, singular, which means one thing. In this case, there's only one dog. Your teacher will expect you to change all these single animals into meervoude. So you've got only one kat, and more than one kat is katte. Een slang, 2 slange, een donkie, 2 donkies. Do you notice that they all end differently? Well, it's because they all have different rules. In this video, I will explain kort vokale. Kort means short and vokale means vowels. Vokale is part of the alphabet. This is the alphabet. These little guys are called vokale. The Y is called a diphthong. And the rest of the alphabet, they are called consonante. Yes, that's right. Each letter of the alphabet has a name and they belong to a certain group. Vokale is A, E, I, O, U. Consonante is the rest of the alphabet, and the diphthong is the A. Let's stop for a moment and recap. Please finish the sentence for me. Meervoude means more than one. Finish this sentence for me. Vokale, consonante, and the diphthong are all part of the alphabet. Finish this sentence. Now this time you'll have to write it down. Kort in English means short. And the last one, write down the 5 vokale. A, E, I, O, U. Meervoude looks at 3 things: the vokale, the consonante, and the diphthong. The first rule that we will look at is the kort vokale. The opposite of kort vokale is lang vokale. It's not spelled like this. I just want you to get the idea. So let's start with what you know. You've got one cat, and more than one cat is, yes, 2 cats. So the rule in English is to add an S at the end. How about pig? 1 pig, 2 pigs, yes. Let's make it a little bit harder. 1 bus, 2 buses. 1 box and 2 boxes. Okay, so these are rules that we apply in English to make the words plural. In Afrikaans, you have to look at 2 things. The last vowel. So there is 1 vokale. And then we also look at the last consonant. And there is only 1 consonant. So the rule is if you have one vowel and one consonant, then you have to double the consonant and add an E at the end. For example, here we've got een kat and the plural is twee katte. So what happened? The T doubled. It's a double consonant and we added an E at the end. Very simple and very easy. Let's stop for a moment and recap. Please finish the sentence for me. Meervoude means more than one. Finish this sentence for me. Vokale, consonante, and the diphthong are all part of the alphabet. Finish this sentence. Now this time you'll have to write it down. Kort in English means short. And the last one, write down the 5 vokale. A, E, O, E. And the last one, when a word has one vowel and ends with one consonant, what do? We Yes, we double the consonant and add an E at the end. Kom ons toets jou kennis met kort vokale en plaasdiere. Hierdie een is baie maklik. Dit was baie maklik, né? That was so easy, right? Well, now we're going to look at meervoude, the second part of kort vokale. So this is very short and sweet. So you know when we have one vokale and one consonant, we just double the consonant and we add the vowel E at the end. Very easy and simple. The next part is when you see two consonante, you just add an E at the end. Nothing else. You don't have to double anything because there are already two consonante. Okay, let's test your knowledge. Did the last picture caught you off guard a little bit? This time we've got two vowels. However, the word eend ends with twee consonante. So even though it has two vowels, it still ends with twee consonante, and that is why we just add an E at the end. Okay, so the next video we'll look at words that end with kort vokale. So for example, ma, pa, baba, and then we'll see what rules we need to apply to those ones.